This is an exclusive spin wheel system with Verse. It includes 14 entries and can be connected to anything you want. The model is fully customizable, using your own materials or the pre-made ones. For more information, visit my Discord or Patreon. Let's get started. First, create a new folder or use an existing one. Right-click the folder and select Show in Explorer. Copy all content from the downloaded folder into your project folder. Next, open the blueprint. This is where you change all colors and items on the spinning wheel. There are already 14 materials included. You can simply replace them with your own images. Now, drag the blueprint into your map. Resize it and move it to where you want it. Next, let's add the images to the spinning wheel. Open one of the pre-made materials. Each material is fully customizable. You can change image size, image position, backgrounds, and colors. Edit each material with your own image and style. There are 14 materials to edit. I will skip ahead until all materials are done. Once the items are finished, open the blueprint again. Go to the item part section. Drag each material into the correct slot. To change the main frame color, stay inside the blueprint. Go to the main frame section. Apply your own material or use one of the pre-made ones. Now, let's set up the level sequences. Open the level start sequence. Delete the device inside it. Drag the spinning wheel blueprint into the sequence. Click the plus icon and select Level Pull. Click plus again and select Transform. At 0 seconds, add a keyframe. Go to 0.4 seconds, rotate the level, and add another keyframe. At 0.8 seconds, copy the first keyframe and paste it. Save and close the sequence. Now open item 1. Delete the device inside. Drag the blueprint into the level sequence. Click plus and select item part. Click plus again and choose Transform. At 0 seconds, add a keyframe. Go to the maximum time, make sure it is 8 seconds. Set the yaw value to 720. Add another keyframe. Save and close. Duplicate this level sequence for item 2. Open it and adjust the yaw value so it matches the second item on the wheel. Repeat this process for every item. Each item needs its own level sequence. Adjust the yaw so the correct item lands on screen. Do this for all 14 items. Once all 14 sequences are done, we move to Verse. Open Verse Explorer. Right-click on Content and create a new Verse file. Name it whatever you want. Open the file. Inside VS Code, open a file. Open the downloaded Verse file. Copy all the code into your new Verse file. Build Verse. Drag the Verse device into your map. Now we need to add 14 entries inside Verse. Each entry needs an item granter, a cinematic device, an accolade XP device. You can also add a trigger device and percentage chances if you want. Start by adding the item granters. Drag an item granter into the map. Rename it clearly. Place the correct item inside it. Match the order from 1 to 14 exactly as on the wheel. I will show a few and skip the rest. Next, add all 14 cinematic devices. Rename each one.
Assign the correct level sequence to each device. Now add the Accolade XP device. You can use one XP device for all items or one per item for different rewards. The trigger device is optional. Use it if you want HUD messages, sounds, or effects. Now connect all devices in Verse, from entry 1 to entry 14 in order. Next, add the button cinematic. Duplicate a cinematic device. Select the lever start sequence. Connect it to the Verse device. For the button itself, add a conditional button. Select the required item, such as gold. Set how much is needed to activate it. Connect it to Verse. The random option gives all items an equal chance. Each spin will be fully random. Now add the audio device. Drag it into the map. Inside the audio folder, drag the audio cue into the device. Place the audio device under the spinning wheel. Connect it to Verse. And that's how you set up the spin wheel system with Verse. By purchasing this pack, I can help you set it up directly in your map, or you can follow this video step by step. If you need help, open a ticket in my Discord and I'll assist you. Thank you for your support.